Hello, let's be down here. Need some more light. What is wrong with the lighting here? Let's see about right here. Hello, everybody. This is Zen. I don't think I should call myself that at all. It's horrible. That's right, Akinator. Let's not put that there. Let's do, how about we do Chef Boyardee? No. Is your character an adult man? Yes, but probably dead. Is your character black? No. He's not African American. Yes, he's definitely over the 40 years old. No, I hope not. Like, you have to buy my food. Like WWE. It'll be great. No. Like a Chef Boyardee smackdown. Or like spatula down. Is your character animated? No. Did your character die? Probably. The character been into space. Noodles will be flying all over the place in this, I guess, like, canned soup stuff will be like, ooh, burning on stars. No. Fly. Get out of here, fly. No one likes you. Is your character kind? I don't know. I've never met Chef Boyardee. Is your character a citizen of the United States? No. I don't know. Is your character really existed? Yes. Is your character dead? Probably. Nor he asked me. Does your character have something to sell? I think he's on to me. Is your character looking for food? Yes. Yes, he's gonna get Chef Boyardee. He's definitely gonna get Chef Boyardee, right? Yeah, it's Chef Boyardee. He guessed it. Yeah. Let's do one more thing. Let's do... I'm not going to do that. What the heck? No, you're right. Let's play again, actually. Let's go, what should we do? Let's see. Let's do Grumpy from the Seven Doors. Samurai Semester. Okay. No. I think it was a thing before YouTuber here. Yes. Is your character black? No, he's not African American. Is your character more than 4 years old? Stop asking the same freaking questions, Akinator. Yes. That would be a horrible idea for Grumpy to run for president. No. Stop. No. That would be awesome, though. Hat smash. Nose blow. Your character animated. Yes. Is your character a genie? No. I bet he's listening. He's trying to think of himself. No. Still thinking of yourself, Akinator. Is your character from TV series? Don't know. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. So I don't know. Wear a hat. Yes. I think he's on to me. No, he does not appear in the Mario games. don't know. I don't know. Is your character married? Probably to Sleeping Beauty, but let's say don't know. Does your character have a tattoo? You think you got it, but you're wrong. Wait, I just thought of this. Where the heck is his lower torso? Does it like stretch all the way and his little tiny legs are in that bottle? Like everywhere? I think so. Yes. That's Disney, right? Is their character related with Disney? Yes. Is their character short? Yeah, he's definitely on to it. Nope, I don't think he is now. Unless you call a huge nosed person that looks at a corpse in the middle of the woods and takes it home. Is your character a sailor or a pirate? No, you're thinking of Captain Hook, but Captain Hook is definitely not short. I mean, not short. He's also not short, though. Is your character part of a group of 7 persons? First of all, it's people, and second of all, yes. What's the character once? Has always been human, and yes. Yeah. Yes. I think yeah, Grumpy's figure Grumpy. He's definitely got it. Yeah, he's got it. I actually don't think I have that figure. I'm going to show you guys the figures I do have. Not that exact. This is my Grumpy figure. Right here. That's the one. So yeah. I bet they're both like the squeaky kind though. So, I'm going to end this here. Comment if you want me to do more of these, or I'll just do more of these if you don't comment, so better do that. And have a good day, and goodbye. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, share this with all your friends. If you don't have friends, share it with yourself a whole bunch of times, but it might get boring. So, I'm just going to assume that you all have friends. So, share it with your friends, and comment down below, like I just said. And goodbye, and have a nice day.